Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Lineman's Buttset, and this is Rod's equipment from Indiana, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool Lineman's Buttset. Now this unit has some issues, and we want to go through a little bit about what needs to be done. We want to replace the line cord for this unit with a new cord and a set of new bed of nails for our connection points. So we'll take care of that issue. When this unit came in, the receiver capsule had been replaced with a transmitter, a T1. It does not belong in this unit, and we're going to remove it and replace it with a receiver capsule. The transmitter in this unit is a T1, and we're going to troubleshoot that. We also want to go through the rotary dial. The rotary dial is very sluggish, and we want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary dial. We do have a capacitor that was just floating around on the inside of this unit behind the rotary dial, and it does belong in the circuit to the receiver capsule, but since that receiver capsule was missing, someone probably dropped this unit and the receiver capsule fell out and broke the ends off the capacitor. We're going to go in and capture the ends of that capacitor and solder new lines so that we can reuse the capacitor that was originally in this unit. So we'll take care of that. We also want to troubleshoot the hook switch. We will be going through the entire Lineman's Buttset while it's in the shop, and we'll take care of any issues that we find while we're troubleshooting. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool Lineman's Buttset, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup that we have attached to the Lineman's Buttset. It's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the Lineman's Buttset. Now what we want to do is give you some dial tone. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now we want to transmit into the transmitter. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and turn our unit off. Now that we know that this unit has dial tone, we're dialing out, we have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Tuesday, January 28th. The current time, 9:04 p.m. And the temperature, 36 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our Lineman's Buttset up. Now that we know that this really cool Lineman's Buttset has been repaired, we can return it to Rod and he can enjoy using this unit in the field. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.